Hey everyone, it's Fireball Brady here from Microsoft, and today I'm unboxing the new Razer Blade 15 Advanced with Windows 11. This is Razer's fastest, smallest, and most powerful gaming laptop. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack straight into it. You know, one of the things that I love about partnering with Razer is their commitment to sustainability. This packaging is an excellent example of that. Razer uses an FCS certified flute. So this packaging is made from a single die cut. It's kind of like a pizza box. Plus it's made from wood harvested from sustainable forestry. These airbags, they're all biodegradable. See this little guy, Snacky Snack? He's the official sustainability mascot for Razer, who single-handedly helped save over 700,000 trees. There's even a cartoon series. Razer releases a new Snacky Snack product for every 100,000 trees that they save on their way to their 1 million tree goal. And you can help. Every Snacky Snack product sold saves 10 trees all on its own. I can't wait to see what they release when they hit 800,000. We got a 230 watt power supply with plenty of length. You sit where you want. One of the first things you're going to notice about the device itself is the thickness. It's pretty thin. It's 0.62 inches. It's Razer's most powerful and fastest laptop. The chassis is made of 100% recycled aluminum, which is probably why it feels so light. Now that's a beautiful display. The Razer Blade 15 Advanced model is the world's first to offer a 360 Hz Full HD or 240 Hz Quad HD 15.6 inch display, as well as a 4K OLED display specifically designed for creators. Whichever display you choose, you can be sure that it's showing off all that the amazing GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card has to offer, whether it's an intense battle scene or your latest masterpiece. The next thing you'll notice is a sleek, clean home screen layout thanks to Windows 11. In addition to its beautiful UI, we also gain the benefits of the many gaming integrations that Windows 11 has to offer, such as Xbox Game Pass for PC, Xbox Game Bar, Direct Storage, and more, so I can game wherever and whenever I want. Another thing under the hood is the vapor chamber cooling that makes this thin profile possible. This system quietly and efficiently dissipates heat through evaporation and condensation of internal liquids. Long story short, it keeps the laptop cool under pressure while maintaining an incredibly thin profile. And on the side, there's an SD port, multiple USB 3s, a couple of USB-Cs, and an HDMI out port. I don't know about you, but when I'm gaming, I like to customize every spec of my RGB lights. With the Razer Blade 15 Advanced, you can customize each key individually with Razer Chroma. And there we have it, the Razer Blade 15 Advanced. To find out even more about this gaming beast, check out the link in the description below, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.